I'm going to be showing you how to fix chat bubbles disappearing mid-chat in Bumble. So if your Bumble chat bubbles disappears mid-chat, it's usually because the other person has unmatched, deleted their account, or been blocked. Less commonly, turning off or pausing date mode can also cause a conversation to vanish, so there isn't a specific fix on your end, as this is determined by the other person's actions or a temporary account change. But checking your app for notifications or restarting the app might sometimes show a record of deleted member. So what you need to do is make sure that other person hasn't blocked you or unmatched you, but instead deleted their account. The user may also have been blocked or banned by Bumble for violating community guidelines, which would also make the chat disappear. What you can do is, in case of deleted member, an action of deleting their account normally shows deleted member in your chat box at the bottom of your chat list for a short time according to Bumble. So you can try that. Just go ahead and open your Bumble and go to your chat and see if you have that option. You can try reviewing your notifications. Sometimes you might still have a notification from the conversation on your phone. Try restarting the app. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches, and in this way it can successfully fix chat bubbles disappearing mid-chat in Bumble. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.